Welcome to the channel guys, my name is Everything Internet. In this video we are going over 5 high paying jobs in coding and software that you should probably look out for in the future. In the last decade we've seen the tech industry boom, and we can expect even more change as the years go by. A big part of the technology we use in our devices, such as our phones and our computers, and even the apps you use daily, is the coding you don't see behind the scenes. The code basically communicates a set of instructions in a language that the computer will understand. Some of these languages include JavaScript, Python, and C#. This video should actually give you an idea of the different duties and responsibilities that you may be expected to do in different job titles. And any facts and figures provided in this video I've sourced from Indeed's editorial team. So coming in at number 5, we have a systems engineer. Systems engineers are becoming more significant in the job market, and it's probably because of the complexity of our products and devices today, meaning it is more important now than ever that companies are keeping their systems up to date and running smoothly. For example, let's say a systems engineer was to work for a firm or a company. They might be installing software programs or networks and databases for the rest of the team. They could also be responsible for maintaining systems and should be able to make repairs to ensure security measures are working correctly. In a company, a systems engineer might be responsible for observing the interactions between departments and finding ways to optimize, improve efficiency, and drive productivity. Some companies require a bachelor's degree in IT, computer science, and certain qualifications in similar fields. Even some senior level positions may require a master's degree. However, I wouldn't let this discourage you, as many recruiters prioritize experience and skill over qualifications and your educational background, meaning recruiters may dictate your abilities from your accomplishments or any previous jobs you've had. Indeed has listed the national average salary of a systems engineer as $102,000 per year. In 4th place we have an IT security specialist. IT security specialists are often responsible for working with corporations to develop guidelines for cybersecurity within the company's software programs and communication channels. They would be responsible for defending an organization's information systems, and ideally would have an in-depth understanding of cybersecurity threats, the different types of technologies, as well as countermeasures to ensure secure computer systems. The field of cybersecurity is bound to grow, especially with the creation of the internet, as there are more people now than ever basing their life around their online presence. This could be for work, school, and even their social media, making them vulnerable to hackers with malicious intent. The national average salary for an IT security specialist is $106,000 per year. Coming in at number 3, we have a software engineer. Software engineers use their knowledge of coding and applications to create software for companies and individuals. Typically, they create software programs, mobile applications, and communications or content management systems that are specific to a company and its needs. Some recruiters may require a bachelor's degree in software engineering or development, IT, or computer technology. However, this may not be mandatory and can vary depending on your experience, the company you're applying for, and even your location. Software engineers can work on anything from web applications and content management to databases and operation systems. However, they often specialize in a certain area. The national average salary for a software engineer is $109,000 per year. In the number 2 spot on our list, we have a full stack developer. Full stack developers use their knowledge of front-end and back-end development to create back-end coding and visual designs for websites. They are usually responsible for creating mobile applications for websites they have created. They may need a bachelor's degree in computer science, software development, or computer programming. Ideally, they would have advanced knowledge in a variety of different coding languages, such as Python, JavaScript, and CSS. The national average salary for a full stack developer is $113,000 per year. In the number 1 spot on our list, we have a cloud engineer. Cloud engineers are responsible for helping corporations move their IT methods to a cloud format. This is usually to make sure companies don't lose their important information. Cloud engineers work to ensure that a company's cloud management systems stay secure and updated so it backs up information constantly. To become a cloud engineer, you may need a bachelor's degree in areas like IT, computer science, and cybersecurity. However, this may vary depending on the company, your location, and the amount of experience you have in a specific area. The national average salary for a cloud engineer is $120,000 per year.